Hello, my name is Michael. Welcome to Funfinity Studio, endless fun and infinite learning. Today, we're going to craft something. Now you know feelings, yes. And in this edition of Making Feelings, we're going to make a happy face. Yes, a happy multicolor face. But how do we do that? Well, I will show you. Let's see the things we need. So let's go. Is a multicolored paper plate, some googly eyes, some glue, and then pipe cleaners. So this is what we need. Now let's go and craft. Start by gluing the googly eyes into the paper plate using glue like this. One, and lastly two googly eyes. Then we need a pipe cleaner for the mouth. Wow, that's just done in a microsecond, and I think he's missing something, and it is a nose. Now it looks like a happy face, don't you think? That's very happy, a very happy face. But you weren't paying attention, or you want to do it. Well, this is how it's done. So let's rewind. We'll start by putting two googly eyes, like 1 and 2, and then we'll put pipe cleaner for the mouth, and don't forget the nose. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.